Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the workbook open. Select the column or range that contains the unwanted sign. Once selected, press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. In the Find box, type the sign character you want removed, for example plus, or leave replace blank. Make sure to review 1 or 2 matches with replace to confirm behavior, because this will change many cells at once and you want numeric values preserved. Once done with replace, check a few cells to confirm Excel kept them as numbers. Formatting should show right alignment. If some remain text, use a helper column with equals value, substitute, A1 plus, or equals substitute, A1 plus, to force numeric conversion. Fill down the formula for the range, then copy the helper column and paste special values over the original cells. This ensures formulas convert to fixed numbers and avoids accidental formula references. Finish by selecting the converted cells, copy, then paste special values so signs are permanently removed. Make sure to apply number formatting to restore decimals or commas as needed, and then delete helper columns. If you still see a green triangle or Excel treats values as text, use data text to columns with delimited finish, or wrap the cell with equals value, cell to coerce numbers. If a large mismatch appears, revert to your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.